Do you have this problem? Your PVC gate sort of rubs. It's tight. See how it rubs there? It's not working. I'm going to show you how to fix it. Hi, I'm Jay, and I'm going to show you how to fix the gate. Now this fence here is probably close to 25 years old. It's been around, and things shift and they move, and things don't line up the way they once did when it was new. First thing I'm going to show you, quick fix that is temporary, only going to last you maybe a few days at most. But if you got like a party going on tonight and you just need this fix right now, you don't have time to get any tools or anything, real easy. Just go ahead and open this up. And I'm not going to do it now because that's going to mess up what I'm doing later. But just grab underneath it and push it up to the sky as hard as you can. And that's going to pop it up and flex everything just enough that it's going to clear and close nice and easy just for a couple of days. Now I'll show you the real fix. The real fix has to do with these two nuts here. What happens is they're tightened against each other onto this block here, and that's what holds the fence and keeps it where it needs to be. The only tool you're going to need for this is an adjustable wrench, something just like that. All right, so this is really easy. First thing we're going to do is we have to loosen this nut here, so this way it has somewhere to go. So let me get the wrench on that. Okay, now this depends on which way your fence is facing and stuff like that, so it's going to go one way and not another. So it went down. So let's turn that just that much, just a little bit like that. And now what we're going to do is go to the other nut here, get on that, and turn that. And yes, you may chip some paint off or something. And now by doing that, we'll get that nice and tight like that. And we'll get this nice and tight like that. And now they're jammed up against each other. Let's try it. Nice and smooth and easy. Closes nice. And it no longer rubs. So it's clearing that. I'll show you up close. See how the striker is kind of right in between these two things like that? Yeah, there you go. And on this particular one, you can also put a padlock through the bottom right over here. There's a hole there, and that way with a lock on that, you can't even push this down, so you won't be able to open that up. So if you're going on vacation, put a padlock on that. That way you can prevent Amazon drivers from taking a dip in your pool. So that's all there is to it. You just tighten those nuts up and you can fix your fence, and that'll be good for some time. Eventually, of course, the fence is going to sag even more, and you're going to reach the end of the threads on that, and then of course you're going to have to call a fence company in to fix it, because you got much bigger problems. The same also goes, by the way, if the latch is still working but it's rubbing on the ground, you can do this same thing, and that'll help you out with nothing more than an adjustable wrench. Hopefully this video helped you out. I hope that you found it entertaining as well as informative. Once again, I'm Jay. If you're new here, please go ahead and click on the like and subscribe buttons. I really appreciate that. That helps me out and lets me know that I'm doing a good job making these videos for you. If you could please also go ahead and click that super thanks button below the video. That really helps the channel out a lot. I really appreciate you watching, and have a great day.